I'm Jaszmine. I'd like to walk through a new dance theme. It's called Birthday Dress, choreographed by Choreographers, Belle, Winson, Zoey, and myself. It's 48 count, 4 walk, 1 tap. Yeah. So let's start now from the back. Facing the front at 12 o'clock. Okay. This is the right and this is the left. Okay, from the start, we're going to do 2 walk, right, left, kick on your right, kick, and open, right, left. You're going to do a hip bump, like right, left, right, left, right, left, right. I'm drawing a C. Okay, next, you're going to do a left sailor, and right sailor, quarter turn right. Right sailor, quarter turn right. And press on your left foot and do a low kick and do a left coaster step. Left coaster. Okay, next section is grip 1 to your right with a heel jack. Side, behind, side, heel, recover, cross. You do a half hinge turn, turning left, turning over your right, yeah? Step, over, and cross shuffle. Cross shuffle. Okay? Let me move forward a bit, yeah? After your cross shuffle. Now, the next section, 3, you're going to do a hip roll. Step, and tap your left foot. Step, and tap your right foot. And you're going to walk backward with heel grind. Okay, step back on your right, grind on your left. Step back on your left, grind on your right, step back on your right, grind on your left, step back on your left and grind on your right. Okay, let me do it one more time. After your cross shuffle, step, roll your hip, step, roll your hip, step back, step back, step back, step back. So it's 4 times, yeah? After this, you're going to kick and point. Kick your right foot and point your left. Kick your left and point your right. Rock forward, recover. Rock forward your right. Recover, step back on your right and drag the left close. Then you're going to do a V step after this. Out, out, in, and a modified jumping jack. Jump open, jump cross, left over right. Jump open again and close with your right hitch. Step forward on your right and do a pivot half turn to your left. This is the whole dance, 48 count, yeah? Okay, let me do the counting from here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So wall 2 here. We shall continue from wall 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Wall number 3 here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2, sailor. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And section 6, the last section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Wall 4. Let's finish up with the 4. Wall 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay. Option for the jumping jack, like for those who cannot jump, you can do heel switches. So that means the last section you can do out, out, in, heel and hitch, step, half, turn. Okay, so the counting is the last section. Okay, section 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Alright, so now finish wall 4. There is a tag facing the front wall. The tag is 32 count. It's actually 16 count. We just repeat it one more time. Okay, so twice of 16 count is 32 count. So, right, facing the front wall, after your pivot turn, you're going to do, bring your right foot to your right side with 3 clap. Clap, clap, clap. And then stomp your left foot next to your right. Stomp, stomp, step to your right. And you do 2 cross rock. Right cross rock and a left cross rock. Do 2 walk forward, right, left. And quarter pivot to your left by stepping right forward. A quarter pivot to your left. And you're going to do a John Travolta hand movement. Up, down, down. Okay? So the hand is just up. You can do like up, down, or just up, down, down. Weight is still on your left, yeah? So here, you finish up, down, weight is on your left. Repeat the 16 count one more time. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight is on your left. After the tag, facing the back wall, which is 6 o'clock, you're going to continue the dance from section 5. It's where your kick and point with, yeah? So kick on your right and point your left. Kick and point, rock, recover, back, together. We step out, in, jumping jack, hitch and pivot, turn. Then you do the whole dance. The dance will finish facing the front wall, yeah? So I hope you like the dance. It's a beautiful music. Check out for the next demo from any one of us, okay? Thank you.